Hey everybody, welcome to my live tonight. I am excited for this one. We're going to do a fun, quick, and simple little thing here. And the cool thing, the bundle's going to be in my VIP group sometime later tonight. Yes, so, okay, hi Cheryl, welcome. Whew. Gonna be a quick one though, because I have a training at 8 and a training at 9. So, hi Hope, welcome you ladies. Let's switch my camera so you guys get to see what I'm doing. So, we are going to use some fun products on this board, and I'm actually going to, let's see, so this is just a regular old board, like a little chalkboard, and I'm going to use this Noel. Now I've not done Noel yet, but it is one of our most affordable transfers. Totally. I'm going to write the word back right on the back of the backing, so when I take it off, I am, there we go. So I got my nails done, and they're a lot shorter than normal, so I am not used to it quite yet. Just gonna kind of center this. Now on the specific board that I'm using, I do not need to fuzz, but I do want to make sure it's straight. So that's kind of a problem. Just gonna try to make sure, there we go. So make sure there's no bubbles, just using my finger to get all of that done. All right, so we've got that on there. Now I'm gonna use my Green Envy, my Candy Apple, just a tad bit, and of course, my white. Hi Donna, hi Nancy, hi Kathleen, good gravy. I forgot to look at, for the first time in like forever, I forgot to look down. And Marie, welcome. Hello. Hi, Amanda. Hi, Teresa. Hi, Cindy. Melissa. Hey, hey. What's up? Okay. So I need to do some stirring, and I think, oh, here we go. I know I just used some of this white, so this should be good. I'm going to dip in here with my, I'm going to kind of dip and go tonight since we are on a schedule. I am going to use, let's see, you know what I need? I need my little towel. You know, I always keep a towel. I always chalk with the towel on my lap. So I have a place to wipe my hands. Okay. We've got a little, so we're gonna do the Noel in white and the little swirls. I am not, the jury is still out if I'm going to do those white or if I'm going to do them red. But I'm not going to do them green. My leaves will be green. I'm going to do the little things last. So I'll try to do my Noel first. What do you guys think? Should I do my swirls white or should I do them red or green? Let me know just in the comments. Yay, Teresa! Get an iPad. Then you're moving up. I've never had an iPad before I did this, and then I ended up getting like a refurbished iPad, and that's the one where I watch most of my comments. And then in December I like stepped it up and I got a brand new iPad. That was like legit for me because I don't use iProducts. It was my first thing I ever bought in December, but I did have a Mac computer before. Okay, so I'm looking to see, should I do the swirls in white or red? What do you guys think? Give me a red, white, let's see, I almost want to say like the first thing I see, I will go with that, but I cannot guarantee. I'm looking for my wipes. Awesome. All right, well, hi Christy, welcome. All right, red. All right, we're gonna do them red because you're the first one who answered, and I really want to get moving. So I'm gonna use like a small squeegee for the white, but it's one of our small ones that is cut in half. So I'm just going to carefully do this. I did not tape anything off. You know me, I probably should have, but I'm rushing. So I'm going to try really hard to stay away from what I'm going to do that's red. Get a little more. If you hear noise in the background, it's just my sister. She's gearing up for a big event on Saturday. And we will be hearing kids or husbands or other things coming down the stairs. Oh, nice. Hey, you like your new coat? What? Oh my goodness, you are live. That's a big coat, buddy.
It's a snowboarding coat.
It's a snowboarding coat. Wow. That's awesome. Cool coat.
Apple.
I already have an iPhone X. Perfect. Hi, Rochelle. All right, so
I'll be up waiting for you.
it's a little loud all of a sudden, guys.
I'll be waiting upstairs.
Craziness.
But you have to open
Okay, so white is done.
Open.
Easton, I love you, but I need you. Oh, look what I did. You went over that with the. That's all right. You got to go upstairs, bud.
Yeah, all right, come on, Easton. Let's go play headbands.
Okay.
Yeah.
Headbands is a fun game.
First, me and Beth will play 2 games, and I won both of them.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Oh, Easton plays by his own rules. We don't call it cheating in our house. We used to call it cheating, and it caused a lot of problems. That boy, that 5-year-old, he only has literally one volume, and it's loud. It's really difficult. He doesn't know whispering. I kind of feel bad for his teacher, but then I kind of don't, because, man, I'm the mom. I am messing this up all over the place. I think I should have wiped it off. I think I should have taped it off. I'm going to do the berries. Also, my white's probably drying. Man, when people like come invade my space, I get all like crazy because I'm not paying attention to what I'm supposed to be paying attention to. Hi, Erica. Welcome to the Fun Noel, Fun Quick Noel Live. That I kind of think I'm messing it up all over the place, but we'll see. Doing the best I can, and if it's totally messed up, it's all my fault. Although Distressed is in, if I lay this back down, I'm probably can fix part of this. There, I fixed part of it. Now, I'm gonna put this in the water so that that can get moving on out. And I have a tiny, like 2 tiny little bits that I'm probably gonna wanna fix that have different colors. Right there. But I can go back over it and then right here. And all I'm doing is like scraping what I didn't like off, and then I can go back over it. All right, now, want this to dry, because I'm going to do a little embellishing, not really embellishing. And then I will do this. So Melissa asked, where do I get most of my pieces? Probably like 80% of everything I do is chalk couture. Everything I do is chalk couture boards. However, or the canvas pieces, and I redo. Like I do over and over, so I'll like wash stuff off and then I'll redo it. But I do find really cool things anywhere. I look anywhere and everywhere. In my own home, something I have that's plain that I could easily, you know, chalk on. I do that kind of stuff all the time. So to answer your question, chalk couture first and then anywhere. I will chalk. I've chalked on my walls. I've chalked on, you know, pretty much anything, you name it. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to punch some holes through this board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 8 inches, and I want to do 2. So probably like 1, 2, 1, 2 on these lines. So I just need to make a mark. And what an easier way to do it than with a little dab of chalk that I will wash off when I'm done. Super easy, right? Okay. So line that up. I probably don't want to go too far in. That might be too far in. Okay. All right. There's 1. There's 2. Okay, and then, let's see, wipe off that chalk. I will grab some of this, and I think I will put it through the back. Like so. Hi, Kathy. Welcome. Let me grab some scissors. Cut that as quickly as I can. Flip this kind of around. I'll tie it in the back. Tie it in the back. And that will be my little fun board, like very cute little Noel board. This is something you could easily add glitter to. You could add little, like little real leaves and berries if you want. There's so many different embellishments that you can do to this, but it's quick and easy. So, if you loved this, share it with your friends. If you would like to grab the bundle, can't tell you how much it is here because we are public, and you know, my bundles are bundled for a great price, and so they're inside my VIP group. If you're a customer and you or you're just catching this online and you've never ever seen it before and you have no idea what chalk couture is all about, type in the words "add me" in the comments and I will send you the link to join my VIP group. But you have to be a customer, you can't be a designer. So if you're a designer, just watch and love, and then you can't go into my group. But if you are curious about what it's like to be a designer, type in the word "join," and what I'll do is I'll invite you to watch a video that tells you the ins and outs of what it's like to be a designer like me, and then I will fill you in. You can look at the video, no pressure at all, and then we can chat later. But yeah, so go ahead and type "add me" or "join," And make sure you get in because I will be posting this soon into my VIP group. I hope you guys got a little bit of value, enjoyed some of this, and I will catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Goodbye.